The move to cloud is a journey. For customers to embrace cloud, they need to have it as a strategy. They need first also to invest in a strong and a secure network, and that is really important. And then typically the cloud is the journey, let's say, starts with a hybrid cloud in order to try out. For instance, they have a PAX on-prem and store the images to cloud storage for long-term archive. They can then move to, for instance, a VNA in the cloud and store and archive from that and have a web viewer. In the end, it will move to a full web-based PAX in the cloud.